Are you familiar with Microsoft Word? Well, if you don't, allow us to enlighten you about its component and its nature.
Hey everyone! In today's digital age, creating, editing, and sharing written information has become an essential part of everyday life.
One of the most widely used tools for this purpose is Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is commonly known as MS Word. It's a processing application developed by Microsoft Corporation.
It allows users to create professional-looking documents efficiently and easily.
Whether it's writing essays, business reports, resumes, or newsletters, MS Word provides the tool necessary for every type of document creation.
To begin with our lesson, we need to know what are the learning objectives for this lesson. First, we identify the differences between the several page layout features and text formatting options.
The second one is to define the procedures for adding and editing components, including forms, photos, and tables. Starting off, the two tools for MS Word, which is the word processing and the word processor.
Let's start by discussing the first one, word processing. It is a system that can produce a wide variety of documents, including letters, memoranda, and manuals, rapidly and relatively low cost. It was developed in 1936. This device consisted of kind of automatic typewriter called an autotypist that could store and reproduce a simple document.
The second one was the word processor. It is equipped with a wide array of features that significantly enhance the process of creating, editing, and formatting documents. For the main part of this lesson, the Microsoft Word, a processor software that developed by Microsoft in 1983. That's why it's called Microsoft Word.
A processing tool for creating different types of documents that are used in work and school environments designed to help you create a professional quality documents. Next are Bill Gates and Paul Allen, the founders of Microsoft, who founded the company on April 4, 1975.
Hey bro, where's not going to use that?
He's struggling to use the Microsoft Word because it's his first time using it. He wanted to make a letter for her long-distance girlfriend, but he doesn't know what part of MS Word he's gonna use. Then suddenly, his two classmates saw him and asked him if he was struggling so they can help him work with it.
Let me now show you the parts of Microsoft Word. Ribbon is a command bar that organizes a program's features into a series of tabs at the top of the screen. Ribbon tabs are composed of groups of closely related commands designed to help user quickly. The ribbon is a wideband at the top of the window that contains all the buttons and icons you can use to work.
Insert tab used to insert and add extra features in your document.
Design tab provides format themes, backgrounds, color schemes, page borders, etc. for your document. Layout tab enables the user to add table, merge cells, and control the text alignment. References tab enables the user to enter document sources and citations, create a table of contents, add an index, etc. Tab helps you to change documents. File tab contains commands related to the whole document rather than the content you're editing. Review tab enables the user to proofread, add or remove comments, track change, read aloud, check accessibility, etc. View tab enables the user to switch between different views of the document, such as seeing more than one page at a time, boundaries, grids, and rules. Mail Merge is a tool which allows you to create form letters, mailing labels, and envelopes by linking main document to a data source. It is the process of combining a list of data with a template.
There are two components of Mail Merge, which are the form document and data file. Our first component is form document. The form document is the main file that contains the fixed text or layout. It includes placeholder or merged fields for the information that will change. Our next component is data file. Ang data file naman ay isang listahan ng impormasyon like the names, addresses, or product details. When these two are merged, the computer automatically fills in the data for each person, creating multiple personalized documents quickly and accurately.
Label generation is the process of creating multiple labels or name tags using a computer. It allows us to produce many labels with the same format but different information, like names, addresses, or product details.
This process is very useful in making product labels, name tags for events, and address labels for envelopes. It saves time and ensures that all labels are neat and uniform in design. In short, label generation makes labeling tasks faster, easier, and more organized.
In editing on Microsoft Word, may mga ginagamit din tayong mga materials to enhance and enrich documents by adding visual and organizational elements beyond plain text. These elements go beyond simple text to help convey messages more effectively, break up large blocks of text, and present data in a more understandable format.
Pictures, digital photos, or illustrations that make a document more engaging and can be used for a wide variety of purposes, from a company logo to a product image.
3. Image file format, which is a method for organizing and storing digital image, defining how data like pixels, compressions, and color are handled. These are JPEG, GIF, and PNG.
Clip art, a library of pre-made drawings or images that can be easily inserted to add visual flair or represent common ideas. Shapes, printable objects like lines, arrows, and basic geometric shapes that can be used for creating diagrams, callouts, or decorative layouts.
Art pre-designed graphics and layouts that allow for the creation of professional-looking diagrams for processes, hierarchies, and relationships. Charts and graphs, visual presentation of data such as bar graphs, pie charts, or line graphs that help reader quickly understand trends and comparisons. At times, when preparing reports, training materials, or procedure manuals, you may need to include realistic image to better illustrate your content. The most effective way to capture such realistic visual is by taking a screenshot